Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and I hope you like this video enough to subscribe. And if you are a regular, then I'm so grateful for you for coming back. So as you can tell from this video, it is a makeup look for a back to school, college or university. I know that some people like to make the effort when they're going to these places, so this video is for you. I'm not going to talk all the way through this video because I want you guys to sit back and enjoy. Let me know what you think down in the comment section of this look, and let me know if you'd like me to do more makeup looks, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.